Okay.
Hi dear friends, this is Ali from Shenzhen Wistek Energy Company. Today I will introduce the profile cells of EVE blend here. Okay, now you can see there is a parcel. Open it, it contains 3 parts here. And we also use the foam to protect the batteries. Now you can see it contains 4 cells in a parcel here. I will pick one to test. You can see the logo, it is MB31 and its real capacity can reach 330 amp. When you get a new battery, you can check its appearance, like it is flat and not well here. And the second, you can test its volt. After testing it, you can see it is 3.25 volt here. After testing it, the next important part is to check the QR code here. Use your phone to scan it. After you scan, you can see the information here.